morning in my life as a wedding makeup artist. It is currently 7. I'm kind of like whispering a little bit because my boyfriend is still sleeping, but it's 7 and I have to leave at like 7:40. So I'm gonna eat something. I did my hair and makeup a little bit. Can you see? It's so gloomy. Like, look at this. Oh my god. Right. Great. But I need to drink my This is so funny, guys. My boyfriend doesn't like when I drink energy drinks. He said no good. Whatever. I'm still gonna drink it. I'm still drinking it. Okay. I took a picture. I'm gonna eat this Chobani yogurt. I'm gonna go sit and eat this on the couch and just relax before I have to go. Let me check to see how far away I have to go. "21 minutes. Okay, I can leave at 7:40. It's 7:06. Like a very realistic morning in my life when I'm getting ready for weddings, because honestly most of the time I'm just like relaxing before going crazy at these weddings. Like, it's 7:17 right now and I'm just chilling. I'm literally just waiting until 7:40 when I have to leave. I already keep like my makeup and my makeup chair in my car so that I don't have to bring it up and down. Also, Benny. Hi. Why are you moving? Okay, so I'm currently on my way to the person that I'm assisting today. So like, I'm assisting this like company I work for, and so I'm on my way to her house because we're gonna drive together. But this light is taking so long. I'm gonna be like 2 minutes late and I feel bad because it's like stuck. But anyways, so the wedding is like 30 minutes away, which is like far. Well, I have to drive 20 minutes to her house and they're driving 30 minutes from her house, so it's like 50 for me. but yes. I'm just literally waiting for this light. But yeah, I did my hair and I did my makeup. And then I picked up lashes last night. So I have cluster lashes in here. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Maybe I'll do like, I'll record a little bit at the venue. But we'll see. We'll see if it's like weird and if I can't. But yeah.
And she's like, post a photo of like her fridge or something. She's like, Steve Dodge knows how to like stock a fridge.
Okay guys, I am back from my wedding. That was definitely the longest wedding I've had in a while. That was definitely the longest wedding I've had in a while. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this like morning routine, I could definitely do more of them because I have a lot of weddings coming up and some are really early. This one was kind of early. I mean, it was like 6. I've had like 4 a.m. ones. But yeah, if you guys liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.